HGH peptide or secretagogue are the chain of amino acid arranged in a specific sequence to attack specific receptor throughout our body. Each peptide has a different function in our body. Here are some of the benefits of HGH peptide therapy in our body. May help you increase lean muscle mass. Helps in reduction in abdominal and overall body fat. Improves energy and endurance. Improves sleep and energy. Boosts immunity. Improves sex drive and performance. And improves recovery and healing time. Some of the HGH peptides are samorelin, that helps in deeper sleep, lean muscle, and overall wellness. Tesamorelin, that helps you with the stubborn belly fat. 5-amino-1-HQ, that helps you with overall body fat and improves your body composition. GHKCU, improves your skin appearance and fine line and wrinkles. PT141, also known as bremelanotide, helps you boost your libido or improves your sex drive. Hexagerlin improves your joint pain. Talk to your medical provider and see if you are a candidate for HGH peptide therapy